Biometric Cables, or BMC, a global competitor with humble origins, an Indian business story. At Biometric Cables, we value the freedom to explore new ideas and seek to differentiate ourselves from the regulars in the minds of customers. We choose and manufacture products based on the law of value. Your true value is determined by how much more you give in value than you take in payment. Biometric Cables, or BMC, was founded by Arun Kumar Chidambaram. We manufactured ECG cables, pulse oximeter sensors, NIBP cuffs, cautery accessories, and later breathing circuits. By 2011, by staying true to our values, we were the first company to manufacture ultrasound transducers in India. We were able to realize the product at 1/3 the cost of the OEMs and manufacture the product rivaling the quality of their Western counterparts. Our aim from the start has always been to follow international best practices for manufacturing medical devices. BMC acquired its ISO 13485 certification in 2007 and has since been continuously improving upon its quality management system, and today we have CE certification for 4 of our product lines, having been accepted as trusted supplier for ultrasound and breathing circuits with hospitals and OEMs. By 2012, BMC had moved into factory-cum-office in a premier industrial area in the heart of Chennai to meet the demands. Exploring further, by 2016, we were the first company in Asia to manufacture galvanic oxygen sensors and flow sensors for ventilators, and are one of the very few companies in the world that have the capability of manufacturing these O2 sensors. With the COVID-19 pandemic beginning in 2019, then Government of India, as were the rest of the world governments, was looking to procure 60,000 ventilators. It called upon Bharat Electronics, an Indian defense company, to produce 30,000 units. Oxygen sensors and flow sensors are crucial components in ventilators, and BMC was the only company in Asia capable of producing them. In collaboration with Bharat Electronics, BMC ramped up its production from 250 units produced per month to 15,000 units to meet the requirements within the deadline. We were happy to be able to assist during times of emergency, and it filled our hearts with pride knowing that our company rose to the challenge of saving precious human lives. We at BMC believe growing our people along with the requirements of company and market. Today we employ 100 personnel with more than 60% of the staff having been with us for 6 years and above. We have gained the trust of over 5,000 plus customers, all attributed to our core values of delivering derived product value, service solutions, and continuous improvements in our products. We intend to stay true to our mission statement of sharing a common national vision of Make in India products for global markets.